Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing items I won on the Don't Be a Monster charity auction. Alright, let's see what it is. Mask stand from the Monster Makers. Which I didn't know was part of it. And then this from Creature Corpse. It's a foam latex skull. Pretty cool. Alright guys, so this is the mask up close. This is the inside. Like I said, it's a very thick foam latex. This is a type of mask that a lot of professional haunted houses use. They're very durable. So, and they're a little bit less expensive than buying a silicone. This one is going to cost you around a little bit over 200 bucks. So, here it is. Now naturally, I would put on some black eye makeup. It fits really nice. It is a little difficult to talk through, but I can breathe fine. It's comfortable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. EG Scary. Ow!